What's going on, guys? Before we get into today's video, I wanted to let you know that Raymond and I are going to be doing a small little meetup at the Montreal Auto Show this coming Saturday at 2 p.m. at the RTX Wheels booth. If you'd like some more information, there is a link down below. You guys can check it out. Come say hi, and you might get some cool stuff. So I hope to see you guys there. Enjoy the video.
You might be saying, that's a funny looking car vlog. That's because there was a slight problem today. Let me show you what happened. So in Canada today, it's currently blurry. Alright, now it's no longer blurry, but it is -9, and that is a problem. You might be saying -9, no, that's proper units, by the way. But no, you are correct, -9 is not that cold. But the problem is that yesterday, it was +5, and it was raining. So, let's go take a look at my car. So, here's the problem. This is my Subaru, and this is... It doesn't even come across... What is it doing? Okay, well there, you can see. It's... Maybe we won't be doing a car vlog today. So in Canada, we have little scraper tools to help get all of this ice off, but there's a slight problem. Mine's inside the car. This is my door handle. I can... That's good. Cool. Even if I can pull this, that's not gonna... It's all frozen along the seam. Oh no. What if I I can punch my paint. That's really cool. Come off. Yes. Yes. Look, we're making progress. Oh, look at this. This is gonna be crazy. I can put my hands under here and I can pull. And it's... Yeah, we're not doing a car vlog today.
Look, it's like nothing ever changed. This is the car vlog you guys signed up for, wasn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, look, let's make it more authentic. Let's go to Blizzard Mountain. Yes. Ooh, look how authentic this is now. Look, it's nice and chilly. Look, our guy's even wearing a little woolly hat like me. So I guess now we can actually start talking about the topic at hand, about how I am selling my Subaru. So, before we get into this, if you missed the video I made last week where I spoke about my Tesla Model 3 and what is happening and where my Tesla Model 3 is, you can check it out down below. It was quite an interesting video. I don't think a lot of you guys knew that I had ordered a Tesla, so you can go check it out. I'll link to it down below. Also, can I just say massive thank you for all the love on I was gonna say these car vlogs, but this hasn't really become a car vlog anymore. But anyway, seriously, the last 2 car vlogs have gotten 4,000 likes, which is just crazy. It blows me away, so thank you for that. Very, very... Anyway, so let's talk about my Subaru. So, in case you are new here to the channel and you weren't here when I bought the car, here was what was happening. My intention was, when I bought this car 2 years ago now, was I bought this car with the intention of only keeping it for 2 years. What I wanted this car for was, 1, to learn how to drive and use manual. Before this point, I had never had a manual car. I had never driven a manual car, and no one in my family had one, none of my friends had one. So my only real way to learn how to drive one was to go out and buy one for myself. And I mean, me being me, the only solution was to go out and buy something blue, hatchback, and all-wheel drive. And sort of the best thing of those was this, a Subaru WRX STI at the time. Anyway, so when I bought this car with a 3-year extended warranty, which means if anything goes wrong on my Subaru, I can just be like, hey Subaru, hey, fix that. My air conditioning, for whatever reason, is working. Hey Subaru, fix that please. So that's a really, really good thing. It's a really good thing on a Subaru because Subarus are kind of famous for blowing up their engines. Just ask Gingium, Evan Shanks. Anybody who's owned a Subaru probably has had an engine problem at some point. Except for me, obviously. I pay for an extended warranty and nothing goes wrong, whatever. It's all good. Anyway, so I get this extended warranty with the car, and my intention was to go and sell the thing after 2 years, because if you still have a year left on your warranty and stuff, the car holds its value better and stuff and things. People feel more comfortable buying the thing, basically. Anyway, since the beginning, that has been the plan with this car from the start. It's been an incredible car. I freaking love this thing. It is so, so cool. It is the awesome and probably the best winter beater that you can buy. And I mean, people look at it and be like, that's not a winter beater. Well, I mean, it's my fun little car that I mess around with at the end of the day. So yes, I will be selling my Subaru, and that makes people kind of angry. I promise I will be replacing it, though, with something quite cool. I have a couple of ideas in mind. So yeah, if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I've been, like, hinting at this quite a bit as I've been looking for new cars. I will say there have been a lot of very, very strange suggestions. You should know a couple things about my next car. One, I put my goals on Twitter. You shouldn't take a note. It needs to have at least 400 horsepower. So all of you suggesting a Ford Focus RS, it also needs to have all-wheel drive, because like I've been saying in my previous videos, I spoke about this a little bit last time, I need all-wheel drive because, I mean, this is what the country looks like most of the time. As we can tell today is one of those days where you would probably want it. And the final thing is that, although I haven't used mine, I would like a car that is under a full warranty. Like I said, like, I didn't use mine, but just knowing it's there, should something go catastrophically wrong, it's nice to know that your car is gonna be okay if something does go wrong in the end. So yeah, take those three considerations into mind if you are going to be suggesting a car. I have two very, very good ideas. One is much cooler than the other, but I've been looking at some stuff recently, and it's quite hard to find cars that I'm after. Finding my Subaru, for example, was impossible. They are just very difficult to find very good ones, and I mean, I did find a very good one. Mine is not blown up just yet, which is good. But yeah, obviously it will be a very, very sad day when I do have to say goodbye to the Subaru. It has been one hell of an awesome car. I have learned so much just like about driving in general, just because the thing's manual, right? And it's like, I'm definitely gonna miss the thing. Like, it's been such a fun car. Like, such a cool car. The community around Subarus as well is just so cool. Like, I've met so many people just because I have this car, and we'll, like, park next to each other and we'll be like, hey, you got a Subaru? I got a Subaru too. Hey, what is your Subaru? Blah, blah, blah. It's just a lot of fun, this car. Like, doing the little mods as well on it. Like, when I tossed on those, what are they called? Mud flaps. Like, doing the exhaust, going into the place, tinting the windows, putting the vinyl on the roof, setting my tail light vinyls on fire. It has been an awesome journey, but it is sadly the end of the road for the little Subaru. It has been an awesome car, like I said, but I'm looking at some new things. With that being said, I think that is going to be it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully the next car vlog, I am actually driving a car. Probably in the next car vlog, I will be in the Subaru. Just because I don't think things are going to happen between now and the next one, probably. Anyways, until then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can subscribe down below for more. And I will see you guys soon with maybe another car. See you guys then. Bye!